Okay, all right. This is the another question from SQL practice series. So here we have to show the first name, last name, the height of the patient. Means we have to fetch three column, first name, last name, height from patient's table, right? With the greatest height means which column has the greatest height. May it be one, may it be two. We have to fetch this rows only, right? With the greatest height. So for doing that, we have to first select these three columns. Select first name, last name, and the third thing we have to take the column as height. Means the third column, which is height. But we can't take it as a simple height, because here they tell us that we have to take the greatest height. Means we have to use some functions. What functions? We can use max function, max of height, or leave it. We here for selecting the column, we just take simple height from patients, right? From patients table. Now we can give the condition. What is the condition? Where height is equals to max of height. First see it will work or not, right? First we will see that. Run. Misuse of aggregator function max. What it says that this is the misuse of function, aggregate function. So we can't do this, right? So now we have to change it. We have to use the max function in the select section only, right? So what we can do is we can just cut it and paste it here. So it says it take first name, last name, and max of height from patients, where height equals to as height. Patients P, we take an alias P dot height equals to simple height. It should work. See, it will work. Why it will work? I will discuss you the another solutions also, but let first see my solution. So what my solution says that we take the three columns, first name, last name, and as because we cannot use max function in the where part, so we have to use it in the select part, right? So in the max we write height, so it will give us the maximum height of the column as height. So we name the same name as height, and in the table also there is a column called height. So we take the three columns from the table called patients, and we name it as alias P for shortcut, right? And when we have to check two heights, first is the table's height and second is the maximum height. As the both height name is same, because we take maximum height as height, and the table name column is also this name, height name, right? If we see the database patients, table name is also the height. So MySQL get confused. So to overcome this, we take the patient's table name as alias P, and in the where section we write P dot height, means the table's height and the only height, that is the maximum height, to compare both of them. And after that, if we run it, it will show the first name, last name, and height. It will give us the right output, right? It will. And let's see this solution. Here they say do the same thing, but they use subquery. Subquery means subquery. First name, last name, and height from patients. They took the three columns from the patient, where height equals to, they again select a query where select max of height from patients. Means we take maximum height from the patient and we assign this height into this height, right? and this side is reflected in the table. And the second solution is may not, here it is like that may not support in every language. What is first name as max and height as height from patients. They do the same thing. I don't know this will run here or not. Let's see. Let's see it will run here or not. Sorry, we have to give the select keyword. We have to yeah, now it should work. Let's go with the question. Yeah, it will work, right? In MySQL it will work, but in the other SQL, right, it may not work.